Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check if your laptop or PC meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all you'll have to click on this menu, startup menu, and then simply click on search bar and then search for PC health check, and then simply open the app by clicking on it. And before the app opens, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button for more informative videos like this. Now once the app will open, you'll be able to find an option of introducing Windows 10, and it says that let's see if your Windows if this PC meets the minimum system requirements. You can get the free upgrade when it's available. Now what you'll have to do is to click on check now, and it will take some time to check. And in my case it says that this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements, and I can click on see all results and see all the things that are not that do not meet the requirements for the system for Windows 11. So that's how you can easily check if your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.